that buying those 20 or 30 cheap MacBook cases good and bad, because like I bought one and I'm saying, I just need a case. It wasn't really my problem. I just got a case, but I bought a case and not realizing that the case it's good. Took a while to come off the MacBook because I bought a new one. But the only reason why I got a new one is because the new so-called new one always gets so much finger smudge on it, so I legit had to order another one quick and fast. And I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you can see it, but let me show it to you. Let me show it to you real quick. Yeah, don't watch the mess over here. So like, if you can see the smudge on it, like so much smudge. I've been trying to wipe it off, but it's just not coming off. Right, the base of it is basically the same, and I thought that when I actually wipe it off, it's going to work out good. But I got this one, right? This feels real premium-ish, premium, basic premium. Call this out, basic premium, right? I love the design of it and everything, and not only that, I can actually change the angle of it if I want to. Cool, I can actually change the angle of it if I want to. So it actually have a rise right there. Cool, it's really nice, really nice. It feels like if it gets a drop, it can actually basically survive the drop if it gets the drop, right? But I'm like, this is really good. This is really good. And you can see smudge. I don't know if you can see it, but you have some smudge on the computer case. But not only that, I can actually wipe off the smudge if there's a smudge. But with this, I can't really wipe off the smudge off this. Like I can't wipe it up. I've been trying to clean this up, but it's not working at all. So I legit had to just say, here, what? Let's get another one. So this is it. I have one more of these case coming in, but this the one that's coming is for the MacBook Pro 13-inch. But this one is really sturdy, really sturdy. So if you want to get one of these, there's a serial number on the back part of your MacBook. You check the serial number. When you check the serial number, it will fit this. It will fit your MacBook accordingly. So yeah, this one is really nice, and I love the fact that it has these right here that I can just change the angle if I want. I love it. And yeah, they come in different colors. They come in really different cool colors, but I took this black one. It was a gray color, but I rather this black one. This feels really good, and even though this is the 14-inch MacBook Pro M1, I thought that it was going to be very bulky, but it's not bulky at all. If you can see it, it's not that bulky. Black my face out. It's not that bulky, and yeah, this works for me. This works. I love the color. Feels nice. Feels really nice. I'm still figuring out some different. I'm still trying to figure out some other type of. Let me see this properly. I'm still trying to figure out some different accessories for the MacBook Pro M1, cause like you can get the expensive products, but you can get products that are cheaper but good. That's my idea of buying things for Apple. I'm not going to buy anything from the Apple store like that. When I buy the product from the Apple store, I don't need to buy anything else from the Apple store. Get me? So if I see anything else that I think is good, I'll let you guys know. Peace.